Taking a look at a Microcosm steam siren. This siren was brought to me by a customer so I could fit it into this steam plant that I'm building for him. And the customer said, well, it's great, but it doesn't work. He said that it did work when he got it for a very short while and then it stopped working. He added that he'd been in touch with the manufacturer who was going to send out a replacement. So what's the problem with this siren? I've seen this problem before on other larger sirens, and when you think about it, the solution is obvious. As you can now see and hear, it's working fine. I removed the valve initially to get a better seal to get more air into the siren. But after running it for a while, it started to malfunction again. So how did I get it to work when it didn't in the first place? Well, first of all, I pumped it full of WD-40, and this acts as a very short-term thin lubricant. And once again, you can see and hear that now it works fine. But as I said, this is a short-term lubricant. And in no time at all, it stops working. These sirens are very clever gadgets. Inside is a ring with holes in it that spins with the blast of air, like a turbine. But the main thing that you have to understand is that this is a steam siren designed to run on steam, not on compressed air, because the condensate in the steam is what lubricates the rotor. Plus, when you run it on compressed air, very quickly the siren becomes very cold, which means all the metal parts inside it are very cold, and as we all know, when things get cold, they get smaller, and the chilling of the siren isn't going to help matters at all. Don't forget that internally this steam siren is machined to very close tolerances. I haven't taken this particular siren apart, but I've been inside some other sirens that have had the same problem. And when running it on compressed air, it's no good pumping in a load of oil, normal lubricating oil, because that will just gum it up and it won't work in the slightest. To test run the siren on compressed air, I removed the valve from it, because on the thread at the bottom of the siren there is a cone to accept a coned union, whereas on the valve it's just flat, and even by using a piece of silicone rubber pipe I wasn't getting a good seal for the compressed air. So I would recommend to anyone who's bought one of these superb sirens from Microcosm engines, don't get dispirited if it starts to do this. It's just not designed to run on compressed air. Even after lubricating it with WD-40, the air blows away all of the lubricant and in no time at all it stops working again. This is a really good product. I do like it a lot. But I would say to anyone who's bought one, be patient, run it on steam. The water content of the steam is the lubricant. So I can demonstrate this for the purposes of the video. I'm pumping in some more WD-40 and then it works. Once I've constructed this steam plant, I will be fitting this siren to the turret, so you'll see the siren running on steam very shortly. Well, that is if you're one of my Patreon supporters. If you're a YouTube free viewer, you will have to wait a while before you can see these videos. But if you subscribe to Patreon, you can see them now. And the Patreon address is currently on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found it useful.